Let's see how to do it. First of all, click on Explore and go to Templates. Now, select your desired template and click on Make Video. Now, add your visuals as per the requirements, then click on Import. Now, click on Project Edit, and here you can adjust the visuals as you require. You can also change the text as per your needs. That's it.